Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Wear Your Kicks channel. It's your boy Lewis, and yeah, it's been a minute since I dropped a video. For those of you who have been subscribed, but if you're new to the channel, appreciate you stopping through to check it out. Please go on ahead and click that like button, guys, and if you feel so inclined, go ahead and hit that subscriber button and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. And shout out to my guys of the One Pair at a Time podcast channel who are holding me down today as I suffered through a little bit of a power outage situation, but that's neither here nor there. We're here to check out what's in this box right here. Yes, sir. You see the GOAT's face on the box himself. Yes, sir. That is MJ on there. Box label reads Air Jordan 3 Retro OG Black Chili Red Neutral Gray. This is a size 11.5 that I was able to score there off of GOAT. I had some GOAT cash, and the price on them in the resale wasn't going for that much. Just basically out the door, it cost me the same amount it would if I bought them retail plus tax here in Florida. But what we are talking about is none other than right here, the Jordan 3 Rare Airs. And this is one of the shoes I definitely wanted to make sure I brought home here to the collection. I mean, look, I gotta go ahead and pull the other shoe out real quick and give you guys now. There is a bunch of tissue paper in here, as you can see. You got your elephant print paper, then there's an extra set of white tissue paper in there. And let's see, what's anything inside the box? We do have the Jumpman on the inside there, and it does say Flight. As far as the rest of the box is concerned, though, nothing really else on here. Now, real quick, this graphic is actually an old school touch that Nike used to give us way back in the day with some of the Jordan releases. So it's nice to actually see something like this come back here on a series of shoes, because there are multiple sneakers within the Rare Air series. But these Rare Air 3s right here, I'm telling you right now, these are probably my favorite of all the ones that are releasing. And the main feature on here has to be the mirrored Nike Air on the back. Yeah, that's not a QC problem you're seeing right there. That is how it's supposed to be. I love the fact that they set it up like that. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the right shoe that has the mirrored Nike Air there on the back. You got all black leather uppers all the way around. You got some blue here on the collar. You got the gray tongue with the red Jumpman. Along some of the lace holes here, you have some of this gray, which is kind of reminiscent of the black cement 3s. And the leather quality itself, real quick, is that of the black cement 3s that released, and the green glow 3s, if you guys have ever had an opportunity to have those in hand. Taking a look here at the elephant print, or the elephant print area material that they put, they have a dark gray suede here in the front, and a lighter gray suede there in the back, not the black. We have black laces in here, but it does actually come with an extra set of laces. And what color are these laces here? Oh, it looks like an extra set of white laces. I'll go ahead and throw them in so you guys can have a visual of what it is that's going to look like. Taking a look here inside the sock liner, you see the insole foot pad is blue, and it says Rare Air with the Nike swoosh inside, but mainly on the inside of the sock liner there, it is all black. Taking a look here at the midsole, you have some sail, you got some black, and you have a hint here of blue on there as well. And then taking a look here at the outsole, mainly gray here, but at the pivot point you got red, you got Nike written there in blue, and you have some sail down there on the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the left shoe, and there's a tag here on the left shoe, and let's see what this says. It says here, please note, due to the suede characteristic, please be aware that there is a potential color contamination to the upper and bottom unit. Oh man, so what does that mean? Well, that means basically that to me that they're able to bleed, I would say. That's pretty interesting there, but let me tell you guys something. One of the greatest products out there to help protect your sneakers, especially from water that can cause discoloration is this stuff right here, the Reshoevn-Ator Water and Stain Repellent. If you need some, go ahead and use my promo code WYK26 to save yourself 10% off all your Reshoevn-Ator needs. In any case, moving on here. Now, the Nike Air on the back of the left shoe is set up the regular way, as I showed you guys earlier. And there's nothing really distinctly different from the left shoe to the right shoe, except for the fact that you have the Nike Air set up the right way here on this one, and then, you know, it's mirrored on the other one. But I must say, man, I love the way they did these. Retail on these is, I believe it's $210 plus tax. Out the door on GOAT, I paid right around $225, which, like I said, is going to be what the cost is here if I bought them in Florida, retail plus tax. Other than that, man, I mean, listen, these here, sweet, same thing, insole. The foot pad there is blue with the, what does it say? The Rare Air on there. Although behind the tongue, I forgot to mention, it is blue there behind the tongue. And man, the only thing I would knock these for, to be honest with you guys, is going to be the leather quality on here. You know, still the best three that we've had released in a while is going to be those A Ma Maniére 3s that a lot of y'all hate. It's okay that you hate them, but I went ahead and picked those up as well. But that leather quality on the A Ma Maniére 3s is chef's kiss. This isn't bad leather, but it's a lot thinner. So I'm gonna tell you right now, in that toe area right there, you're gonna see these get creased up really fast. I mean, obviously there's a lot of different crease protection products out there if you feel so inclined to go ahead and use them if you want. But me personally, I don't necessarily care. I mean, listen, I actually have a plethora of different sneakers that I switch up between. So, you know, these aren't going to get too beat up in my opinion. But these will get worn though. These definitely will get worn. Very happy to have these in the collection. Let me go ahead and throw these on feet with the lace swap, and then we'll close out the video. So there you go, on feet look of the Rare Air 3s. Release date is May 30th. And one thing I forgot to mention are the laces themselves. The way Nike did it, they actually gave them an aged look to them. I'll give you a little close up here, but let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think here of these, and what shoe of the Rare Air series is your favorite. Is it one of the ones? Is it these 3s? Is it the 4s? Fun fact, the undefeated 4s that are coming out later on this year are also part of the Rare Air series, but that's a conversation for another day. Appreciate you guys being tapped in. This is also the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you guys to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.